Good morning, guys. Hope everyone doing good. How are you doing? Did you guys do any trading today? Let me know in the comment section. Good morning, Satish bhai. Good morning. Actually, today I planned somewhere here, but जब तक लॉगिन किया था, I have seen a very good blast. एक ही अकाउंट में हमने कवर कर पाया. Oh, still you are doing scalping? That's good. What shall we do? Varun Raj, good morning, bro. Good morning. How are you? Yes, guys, I clearly warned you not to go the counter trade. See, let me explain you as we are very few members here, no need to worry. So even we can take the doubt session very easily. Okay. So let me remove all this Fibonacci. So now here coming to, this is Bank Nifty. Let's talk in two versions so that you can understand it much better. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. No need to worry. So let me just hide like this. So now tell me, by seeing this naked, let's switch our analysis to a traditional approach for some time. So now let's say these are the highs and these are the lows. Okay, these are the lows, so which we have seen. So now if you see, this is a high and we got a equal high if we talk about the structure, and thereafter we got a lower low and we got a higher high here. Technically at this area also we have discussed about bonds getting like bond issues should be getting solved, and we should go long, and we have given multiple demand zones, and yes, one of our demand zone also got breached at this areas. But let's plan, as I said, let's do some traditional approach. So this is the high, we mark the traditional approach high. Okay, and if we talk about some patterns, okay, so when we are talking about pattern, this is one thing which we usually see. Okay, and this is one thing we usually see. So why I'm drawing these lines, see, people go for breakout entries at this stage, and also once it becomes support, they will be expecting coming back to these areas and taking the support. So these are the things. I'm sorry, guys. So these are the things we know. So now technically, if we talk technically, this is all-time high, as you all know. So let's say what usually the ideology comes, and especially after seeing the rally, the same thing I have explained in the weekly analysis as well. If you go through the video, you will understand this. Here usual ideology will go from here to here. Okay, even lot of members getting trapped in this. The reason, not only ourselves, I gonna to also show you the data. If you see after 4,300 points, usually see most of the times even we get to that sort of uh, thinking after 4,000 points rally, technically it should come down. At least we need a small retracement. So is this type of approaches. So for the better understanding, let's also dive into what we say FII and DII analysis, which I have shared. And the good thing is in the pre-market also I have discussed about this, but goodness is no one attended except one person. I don't know his name as well, but even only one person attended that. It's okay because it's like suddenly we have started that. It's not like pre-planned, but it's completely fine. If you see here some things which we need to focus on, uh, I'm saying you, especially just have a quick look here. Okay, if you have just a quick look, FIS, this is FIS activity. And what you are seeing here, I want you guys to comment below what you are seeing here. Can you see the screen? Let me know first. Are you able to see the screen? Satish bhai, Varun Raj, can you see the screen? Yes. Okay. Thanks for confirming. So let me know, you guys, what the activity of FII is here. Mhm. Yes, Satish bhai, that's a good observation. It's not like trapping the longs. It's like, see, uh, that's how we very good usually go for that ideology. Because see, after this breaking this, everyone is accepting. Even you see the price action, you come to know it much better. You understand it much better. You see. So if I go, see, everywhere they are trying, but they are failing. The reason is, even you see recent, just now we got a, yes, even in here itself. See, so these are the things. If you see, pros data is completely bearish. It means pros and retailers are the only persons who are carrying bearish positions yesterday. And now tell me, did they give any exit position to them? No. According to me, no. Yes, there is obvious thing. Either they build their positions aggressively at this highs, or they book their shots. So what I feel is they have booked the shot. That's the reason we are seeing some rally. So it's always between make you think like whatever the approach. So after facing a lot of problems in this sort of approach, I have changed my view to, yes, usually what happens. Let me share you the experience which I used to go through. Okay, so this is a, let's say, all-time high. Sorry. let's say this is a all-time high. So after breaking high, or let's say this is a resistance, better we say resistance or important zone, psychological level, whatever you say, it's up to you. But after, let's say, market is rallying from here, so now everyone's expectation is it will come, okay, but it will close above, and again people's expectation it will come down, but it is closing higher, again expectation closing higher. After moving this area, now everyone, like, they change their opinion and they are saying no man, now the market will certainly go up, there is no chance of coming down, because उसको आना होता तो यहाँ से ही कहीं से आता है, नहीं आया तो यहाँ से ऊपर जाएगा. So that's a usual thinking, but now it plays completely opposite. It starts to give the retracement, and again it is entering into the zone. So obviously what we think, it's like we should go for this. So it's like what I mean to say here is not to go opposite to the traditional approach. Yes, traditional approach also gives the return when you follow the risk management, but it's all about like how good you are maintaining the accuracy. The accuracy is lower part, but yes, if you follow the risk management, again you have scope, because I personally have seen a lot of people who are being like that. So now the question is like, then what we should do? See, the one thing which I have learned from my past experience is it's like it's very tough to time the market. I have used n number of times this statement, and I will continue using this, because I want you guys to know this. It's not that easy to time the market. For this, I will not do anything. You go and see FIS activity of last 2 months. You no need big examples. Go to last 2 months and see the FIS activity. You will come to know everything in very good, like in a frame. You can see it in a very good frame, because when you can see this is obviously a trap. You can see they are planning to make this. At some extent they have went above 70% of short positions, and at some stage 80% of stock, especially in this rally. If I talk somewhere, they have also touched 90% of short positions as well. But when the persons have the highest technology in hands, highest capital in hands, and highest equipment in hands, can get wrong in this market and can get trap in this market. So there you can clearly understand this. It's like timing the market, at least I say beginners, experts, so called this, it's a very tough task, or some sort of, at least for people like me who are in intermediate stage, I say like it's like impossible. So it's always like respect the trend and accept that yes, after seeing gap ups, it's a usual habits, we tend to go short because of profit booking. But guys, see here, these guys need to if you see here, let me show you the positions as well. FIIs at some stage, just 4 days back, this picture is I am saying about just 4 days back. If you see 1,28,000 shorts in the futures, and they are kept on covering. In 4 days they have covered almost near to 1 lakh and above. So this happens when you are wrong, whether it's good player or bad player, whether it's big player or small player, irrespective of the thing, market punishes if you are out of that. So I am not saying anything here. The one thing I want to deliver here is like, wait for the proper levels. Yes, in that previous example, yes, you are in this all candles, you are trying shorts. I am saying wait for the confirmation, right? All these days you make profit, and when the trend reverse, this one day you will take up the loss. Which is better when you keep yourself asking, is it best day to take stop losses in 4 or 1? Your ratio is 1 is to 4 here, or 1 is to 3, or even it comes to 1 is to 2. But thing is, I always prefer taking stop loss on this day, no issue. So that's what small thing I want to explain you. So that's the reason it's not like it's a market, complete bullish market. I'm not seeing any sort of negativity either from the uh, what we say fundamentals, or either from the events like data points, and I'm not seeing it as well as in the technicals. And in fact, if I talk about technicals which I used to follow, or which I am following right now, it's showing complete, we got very good resistance zones, supply zones got breached out. So it's a sign, yes, we may see a little retracement in the upcoming sessions, but it's very tough. And if you are doing a short at this day, at these areas, then I consider you as the bravest person, because it's required guts. It's a bravery thing. You are just entering into the den, so you need to have proper precautions for that, or proper uh, plan, and you need to execute that as well. So even we used to talk about this strategy. How many of you, I don't know, either you watched or not, this is one of my favorite pattern I usually used to trade, and even I entered here in one account. That's the other story. I booked very limited profit, but it's completely fine. If you, many of you know this, right? So many of you might, after seeing this candle, we are 1.6 reached, so it's time to get down short positions, buy put or short call. It's not like at least from these areas I'm not expecting, and we have a good buying tail on the bottom, so I'm expecting buy on dips market even at this stage as well. इतना बोला तो कोई सुना ही नहीं. Two members are in live now. It's three. Varun Raj, are you there? Listening. Satish bhai, see, the views get sometimes on the opposite. मतलब हो सकता है controversy हो, but that's how the trading is. We used to discuss, right? Even some person give level here, expecting good to go down. And different persons have different trading ideologies. Some will, I think, let it come near to stop loss. Someone will exit here. He will wait for retracement. Someone will hold and sit back tight. So there are things. Hello, if any proper dip, we will enter. No need to. As of now, no worries. So let's also see the Nifty as well. Nifty 50. Nifty seems to be little weakness it's showing, but yes. So hopefully from tomorrow you will get this, because yesterday itself I have done everything. But yes, still I thought to give some graphical presentation in this. I am trying, but that's the reason I am facing some errors in that. So hopefully if I get someone's help, then I will get, or else even this is good, what I feel. But graphical representation is something we can quickly do that, right? From here you have to need to spend some time. Waiting for 20810. Acha, you are waiting for retracement. Okay, fine. Let's hope, bro. Two zero eight ten you are expecting for, right? Yes, that's a good area. This is 0.516 area. You used from different swing. Let's also see the different swings, such as by which swing you considered. Okay, right. You considered this swing, right? Even that is valid. Even that is valid. This is a good try from the sellers. That's a good try. Wow, that's a good level. That is why this is a very so good level. This is a magnet now. Hopefully the price gets will be much interested to touch this zone now. This zone is magnet now. If we talk about in the features, it's almost 0.6 range, which I am talking. You can clearly see now it's some sort of bullish candle already, but let's. Yes, this is a magnet level. Okay. So let me also update. Let me remove this EMA 9, which I use for some time for trailing stop loss. See, it's not a trade recommendation. Just you need to watch this because highly dangerous. It's like what I said. It's like bravest thing if you are going uh, counter side. But yes, it's a so good opportunity. If the market is of neutral stage, then I would have gone for this trade. Uh, but at this stage, yeah, the probability is 99.999. Just joking, it's like high risky to short the market at this ranges. But this is one thing which I am expecting. This is a magnet level only because of this level. I have drawn this. Now, just the intention is just to watch this magnet level, how it comes, and again, there is no certainty in the market, as you all know. What is market Satish bhai? Certainly expecting uncertain. Yes guys, it's moving towards magnet level, so let's see. That is the importance of magnet level. So hope you understood. If yes, like the live, अभी तक एक भी like नहीं आया. Crazy guys, you are forgetting to like the live stream. Come on, go and like the stream. Sorry, live stream. And then also place your valuable comments on this magnet level. And from here on, we may see some good momentum towards long. We will see if we get any confirmation. That's a good area to go longs. What I feel. Let it come little lower. It should also come little lower. What I expect. Come on, let's go. Nifty option chain 700 CP. Little lower. I need little bit of lower side, but it's completely fine. Can directly go from this area as well. Oh no, again the same mistake. I don't know why I'm getting this. Sorry. Monthly expiry. And yes, so I missed the opportunity. It's okay completely. Okay, Satyaj bhai, thank you. That's what the importance of. But yes, if certainly if market क्या बोलते हैं दया करके हम लोग को एंटर दे देंगे तो we will certainly this time we will try to enter. Actually we got a very good. I am expecting a little bit downside and getting a rejection, but that doesn't happen, but it's fine. So hopefully you like the magnet level. I think so. So that's a good candle again. Oh, sorry. That is why I removed your strategy. Where it is. You are using 50, right? See how much points we might have missed. Oh, that's a good points. It's fine, still it's fine. No issue. Our stop loss will be somewhere near to this area. 163. Is it? Is it? Is it? Is it? It's almost near to 157 stop loss area. So what I am expecting is still it's a bigger stop loss. So yes, if any continuation candle, this is a halt candle, right? If we get any bearish candle this time, then we will try to enter in that. Yes, certainly we missed the opportunity, but it's completely fine. Part and parcel of game. See guys, there is some probability of this low getting clear. We have some probability, so that's the reason we are not taking aggressive entries here. So there is a probability it again visiting this low. So if it visits, then we will re-enter. Sorry, we will enter, not re-enter. I can see 4 members in the live. One is Satish Bhai. May I know remaining 3 members names? I think one is Varun Bro. Mm. I said you right, there is chances of visiting this low again. This is a good area to enter, but we will definitely wait. Yes, guys. One more member joined the live. Welcome, bro. So there is a chance of it's getting to see this almost we have done right, and keep like this, or we can simply remove this. So what my expectation is, come and eat this stop loss, then give entry to me. How cruel it is. Asking, being a trader and asking to eat someone's stop loss. No, okay, it's without hitting this guy's stop loss, give me entry. So how many of you are feeling that now the retracement is started? Let me know, guys. Use the chat box. No issue. Use the chat box. Come on. It's free of cost. You can use it. आप लोग chat box use कर सकते हैं. It's free of cost. As I said, there is a chance of revisiting this low, and you can see here. Okay. So now after magnet area, we will take entry somewhere near to this blue line. Okay. And my target place somewhere near to this area, and my stop loss stays very little. Okay. I cannot say you the exact stop loss now, but yes, more downside. Oh, Satish bhai, you are expecting more downside, but I'm personally not expecting more downside. Okay, that's a reasonable dip. If that comes, so I will exit manually. So that's okay. We took our entry, or my entry. I took my entry. Oh, what is the stop loss I am getting here? That's big. That's really big. 14 points. But to handle this much volatility, it requires. We are almost near to our stop loss, and we will manually give the stop loss. No need to worry. Bus, you need not to go from here. From here on, you should go up. So yes, now I am keeping my stop loss. That's finally, it's a good level. So somewhere near to this area is my stop loss, and I am expecting from here on it should continue towards upward. A little bit of early entry, but that's how. That's we call as FOMO. This by well done, bro. You are expecting more downside, and that's happening even. That's a good sign. So this is the area where it should again take the correction. So that's what my expectation is. Let's see if our this level breaches out, or if this level gets failed, then we will book our stop loss. Comparatively, I kept little higher stop loss in our account. If you come across daily trading diaries, we use very small stop loss, but today's volatility deserve this stop loss. If we keep small stop loss, then we are out of trade too quick. Yes, it about to reach breach, but what my expectation it is, it will hold. It will hold. The beauty of our YouTube channel is just before this trade, 6 members, but now if you see it's around near to 3 members. More downside. It's completely fine. I entered here. My stop loss is somewhere near to 18 points today, and I will only get 1:2. Oh, that's good. There is scope for 1:3. I think now it's time to keep stop loss in system. Acha, after hitting my SL, it will go up. Then I can't do anything. If my stop loss is coming, then I need to respect it. There is no option for me. This is my stop loss, and I am planning to keep in the system as well. Yes, we are getting some rejection in here as well. So after closing this candle, I'm going to keep in system, or else in between, if it comes down, I exit manually, as I said. But yes, valid trade and valid stop loss as well. See, if this goes, then we are out of the trade, irrespective of the situation. After hitting our stop loss, if it is moving towards our target also, that's fine. That's how we traded throughout this account. You can see more 1 minute. After 1 minute, I will just keep my stop loss in system. That's the biggest selling attempt. After good rally, this is the good selling attempt. Last 50 seconds. Mm-hmm. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The candle closed, and here is our stop loss. Yes, there is certainly, again, there is a probability of hitting the stop loss, but it's completely fine. Now we have no fear. Our stop loss is in system. One is to 3 is the target. So let's see. Target is 56 points and SL is around 20 points. $18.75. From here it can go up. That's what expectation satisfy, but let's see. Uh, we may also get wrong, we may also get correct. Everything it's completely fine. So I want you guys to comment below. Will I get stop loss it, or will I reach to the target? It's almost a very good rotation. If you see, it's a very good rotation. What about Bank Nifty? Oh, Bank Nifty also beautiful rotation. It's almost, if we talk about Bank Nifty, guys, it's almost near to, that's a so good, almost 500 points rotation. That's a good, healthy retracement. And Satish by one here. To be frank, I did not expect this much retracement, and I appreciate Satish by in advance. He informed this, but almost 100 points retracement rotation in here. Oh, that's a good sign. Even we went to above our cost. Good to hear. Sorry, good to see. Again, that's a retracement. Again, you are now prone to your sell. $18.75. That's the biggest SL which we are planning on after started the challenge. It's almost near to 937, including taxes. It's almost near to 1000 rupees, which I usually give in Bank Nifty. I usually give uh, four times SL. Then it will reach somewhere near to 9,000. Pin Nifty expiry is there today. Yes. So we will plan. If we get any good result in this trade, then we will plan Nifty, or else after this there will be no limit for me for my daily trades. Haha. We call it almost near to stop loss. It's gone. Huh? गया नहीं? Okay. I thought it's gone. Hi, how are you? I'm Sindhu. Sindhu, I'm fine, good, doing good. How are you? Now the chances of our stop loss protection is less, very less, because even this, if you even consider this candle, recent candle low, it's almost touched the recent candle low as well. So if this candle is sustaining, it should move up, or else like we are giving stop loss. Yeah, good. How is going on today? It's good. Morning we missed opportunities, and thereafter we have taken an entry here, and even that is in risky now. If you see this candle's low, they are low. It's 152.55. Yes guys, finally the stop loss gone, and it's a big loss today. It's almost 1000. That's a big loss. Actually the level got respected, but thereafter I don't know what happened. So now we no more trades in that account. Let's see. Yeah, I will share if anything I get find. That's a so good retracement. So good. So guys, tell me now, how many of you are expecting a long trade here? Again, if we get an opportunity, because my limit completed, if I get a proper level, then I will trade, or else done for the day. That's a good rotation, and again we need not to enter in this rotation. It's not necessary. But when all other turn towards P side, no, like see, even I explained this earlier as well. Even it's good, it's okay if I give some stop losses and things, but I will not go short until the major levels get breached out. Yes, it's a good idea to go for little scalp. I do agree, but you can see the momentum now. This happens, and that's completely fine. See, we already taken a big room of stop loss, so it's need not necessary to take much risk. Yes, it's not the last day, or it's not like today is the last day for the trading. So obviously this is a good sign, and once this consolidation breaks, then we may expect again momentum towards long side. Hi, what is yours on Nifty for this weekend? Karthik Sirigiri. Yes, bro. Until and unless major levels get break, I am expecting a long trade itself. Long side, I am expecting. Even every dip is an opportunity. That's what my expectation is. And even you can see that's a very good momentum if you consider. And it's completely fine. Let me take a scalping. Can I go for a scalping trade? Yes, I can. Let me take a small trade here. After hitting my stop loss, I am taking a trade with a very small stop loss this time. Very minimal stop loss. It's somewhere near to 3 to 4 points. That's it. Satish bhai, exactly what your view is exactly correct. After hitting the stop losses, it's moving. That's a good prediction. That's a good move. Um, Let me update in the channel as well. Holding 820, 860, right? This is zone 2860. Again, getting rejections from the same areas. If you see, again from the same area. Last time we got a rejection from here. Again, this time we are getting a rejection from the same area. But hopefully, this area will get breached out. That's what my expectation is. Let's see. Anyone holding long trades? Let me know. Personally, I am holding a long trade. Anyone holding? No one. Okay, that's fine. Market is trying to convert all longs into short. बहुत मुश्किल है. It's like a little tougher task, but yes, seems the same. दिख तो ऐसे ही रहा है, but थोड़ा मुश्किल task है. Again, it is getting a rejection, which is not a good sign at all. Do I need to exit my position? Need not necessary, I think. But that's a big stop loss, right? I almost gave 20 points. How much stop loss did I give? 3,062. It's almost near to 21.24. That's a big stop loss according to what uh, my account standards. According to my account standards, that's a big zone. But that's how the market traps sometime. That's the part, and we'll see a bit more downside. Let's see, Satish bhai. But as of now, I'm holding longs and expecting long side. It's about the areas where I have taken entry. I do agree, a little aggressive. Maybe you can say FOMO. But this time the trade, I am sitting and I am waiting for at least 1:10. I hope you can see here. Hey, you are not able to see. I'm so sorry, guys. Actually, I thought I kept here the view. It's not here. This is the, this is the magnet level which is expired. See here, I kept only 5 points stop loss. That is why, is this your entry level according to your setup which we discussed? Is this your entry level? Again getting a rejection. That's certainly a headache. But yes, I am expecting this is a supply zone, but which have very minor. Because if you calculate, this will be half of this directly. I am habituated to draw this. That's the reason I am drawing directly. You can see here 0.56. Yes, but only for 10 to 15 points scalp. Okay, even we did not get any 10 to 15 points right from this area. Let's say from this area, if you are saying some 10 to 15 points, then it should not blow at most. It should go here. Oh no. That's again a big candle. Certainly a headache. Is this mean your stop loss hit? Closing below? What is this? Again, it requires a lot of time to get to that stage. Satish bhai, if it is closing below, is it your stop loss or what? A volatile market. There is no room. If this high breaching out, then we may see again one sort of good move towards long side. Oh, you not entered it. Okay. No, I'm not asking about entry. I'm asking about, let's say you entered at this candle, about this candle. So what will you keep your stop loss according to this setup? SL 10 points. Okay, fine, fine. So it's like 1 is to 1 trade, right? Target 15 points. Okay, 1 is to 1.5. Okay. Let me know once you enter the trade. Actually, this areas we planned a trade, but we got our SL hit. Fine. Yes, guys, this is the area. This area is very important for the longs. Yes, guys, this is the area. Acha, time is out, so you will not take entry. I didn't understand. It's like, oh, you have time limit as well for this trade. This area plays a very key role. If this area sustains, then I am expecting it's moving towards again to the day's high. No trade after 11:30. Okay. Mhm. Let's see, it's almost engulfing this candle. That's okay. That's completely fine. It seems to be crossing this high. No, not yet done. Not yet done. Yes, it crossed. But see, again, we are getting a minor rejection, but it should not be the major one. From here on, it should continue because we are also exposing to the decay as well. My target is little far. Yes, if you see closely, Nifty spot as well as future gave a break. But if you see premium is not at all increasing, this is also one concern. We talk about 700. It is in the money. You can just imagine in the money situation is this. Do agree, Satish by decay, but there is no option. I am in middle of the trade, so we'll see. We'll wait because after a little, I'm not even expecting a retracement from here, but you can clearly see here there we are getting a retracement, and I feel from here on we should see some momentum. So again, retest is also done. So now let me also remove this label. You can clearly see retest is done. So now it should move towards day high. Come on, let's go towards day high. Nifty. ओके सतीश भाई, ओके। You guys, if you closely observe, multiple times it is getting rejection from these areas. And if you apply Fibonacci here, you can clearly see 0.5 and 0.6 in between it is getting rejected. See guys, important observation you have to take here is these areas, whatever 0.5 and 6 we are getting, these are very important areas, like we are getting a good consolidation, but if we get breakout to these zones, our targets are very easy. But if this breakdowns, then we may see it touching towards again the day low. This swing low is possible, but personally expecting breakout compared to breakdown. The chances I am expecting breakout have a little more probability than breakdown. So let's see. Yes, Satish bhai, I'm still in trade. I'm still in trade, but it seems to be little risky. I am saying seems to be little risky here. But yes, equally you have good reward. If this breaks out, then there is no stronger zones until this areas and 20,920 on cards. If 20,920 breaks, then we may see fireworks. Mm, that's a good decay. I gave decay to the option seller. I said, take this, bro. Or rather, I say, वो छीन लिया मुझसे. अरे भाई यार, that's a beautiful breakout here, but you can see in the strike. No words, bro, no words. So obviously, when this sort of situations happens, our target becomes we will lose our target somewhere to this area. Part and parcel of game. Decay is your, as a trend is our friend, decay is also our friend. But trend is a good friend, decay is a bad friend. Oh no guys, कितना पॉइंट्स कैप्चर हो गया? 41 points, 42 points. Half of the work is done. ये आधा खत्म हो गया, आधा बचा है काम. If this time it is getting a rejection, then there is a high probability uh, of again a sideways momentum or a little bit of a correction. रिट्रेस नहीं आना चाहिए. अब बहुत कंसोलिडेशन हो गया, देन दिस इज द टाइम यू स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. Oh no. guys, you can see how good momentum in the spot, but if you see premium and as well as future, it is struggling. You can see it is even struggling to break this particular high, but spot it already breached out and it is moving towards the higher level. You can clearly see here. Satish bhai, are you there in the live? Guys, at any part of the video, if you like my efforts, make sure you don't forget to like the video, and please share your comments, your feedback in the chat box as well. Chat box is open for you, and I am open for you, so you can ask me some doubts. And meanwhile, if it is not giving quick momentum, so meanwhile we can also have conversation. there is a higher chance of breaking this high as well. Let's see. But see guys, actually according to the price action, it's our premium should be somewhere near to here, almost around 18 to 20 points decay we are running on. जाते जाते पता नहीं और कितना होगा decay. Yes guys, after a long time, if you see this this area is very important, and if I again clone this, and if I keep this area, okay, this particular area is very important. We may see a small little bit correction, or we may also see the rotation from this zones if sellers exist till now, or else they will enjoy the ride. There is a high chances of breaking this first blue line. What to do, what not to do? How much points it's running? 44 points high, around 50 points high, and 44 points running from our entry. Okay. Two members are watching live. May I know your names if you don't mind? If you mind, it's okay not to mention. What is this? What is this? Why again you are giving a rejection? No, it's a very big rejection again, as I said. Let's go for a quick momentum. There is no momentum at all. It's like going very slow. I am booking my profits. If that candle closes below, then I will book my profits immediately. It is about to close below. About to close below. मार्केट ऑल्सो भी लाइक इतना भी क्या जल्दी है, रुके रहो ट्रेड में. ये वाला हाई ब्रेक होने की बहुत अच्छे चांसेस है. वी हैव वेरी गुड चांसेस ऑफ ब्रेकिंग दिस हाई, but decay is the only concern for me. Hope you guys understand. I think there is no Satish Bhai watching, or else he would have understood. He is warning me, decay, but I still. Oh, again we got a rejection. You can see this candle we got a rejection. Still, if it closes below, we will exit. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Yes, guys, I booked. Actually, but it need not to book here because it's showing, and we have a very good probability of breaking this high. But the concern here is the decay. If you see, just watch this. Let me switch this to 5 minutes as well. And if you clearly watch here, oh no, it did not exit, man. What's going on? It is filled, but why it is showing still the position? Let me refresh first. Yes, position is closed. You can see almost 4 trades and a closed position. Okay. Yes. Now let me explain you. Okay. See here. If you see 5 minutes, let me switch to 5 minutes. And this is the M pattern, right? Which formed here. If you see, it is almost near to this wick area. Whether you see in this or this, but if you see, almost we are near to, or if I say, it's like almost 0.18% difference. But if you see from this highs, it's almost near to, this is the difference. That's the reason exited. Might be it consolidate here, and thereafter we may see a breakout. So that's a possibility, but still it's okay. You can see here, we will watch this trade. Yes, we exited the position by keeping in mind that uh, about the decay, and if you see our exit price somewhere near to 156 here, so we almost captured 156, 41 points. That's it. So now you guys tell me if you ask any doubts. We will discuss on that, or else we will wind up our session. But there is a good probability it will cross this. Once it cross, then we have a very good probability. You can even see here, and they from the range. Guys, even after rejecting and all this, even still I am saying there is a good probability. It's not a level to short. Again, I repeat, it's not a level to short. If you go short here, definitely there is a high probability you get trapped, because many of the people might have planning here by seeing the spot. If you see the spot, it's exactly rejecting at 0.6. How many of you agree? And from here, usually we plan a trade towards short side, right? But that's at particular this situation I'm not talking about Fibonacci ratio will not work, but at this situation the price action which I am seeing, if you see almost like a v-shaped recovery, or if you see if it go here, it's almost like a capital and volatile, must volatile market. So there is a probability breaking of this high, chances are high than comparing the chances going down. So let's watch. There are also n number of situations where I went wrong, but it's completely okay. As of now, I'm expecting it will move upside and give a breakout to the top, and it will move towards 20,920. So yes, just watch, and in between if you have any doubts, or in between if you want to give me any suggestions, in between you want to give me any feedback, then I am open to you. Chat box is open and I know messages in the chat box, so I'm waiting for your message. See guys, these are the candles which creates FOMO. Okay, and if you see even at this candle, if you did you watch the entire live, then you might have understood. In this candle as well, I entered same reaction like FOMO. Like it's like if we don't enter short here, we might miss a lot. Nothing like that. It creates a FOMO just to grab attention. So let's see. Still, after even candle coming here, I'm still sticking to my words. There is a chances of breaking this high. So let's see. We are not supposed to play songs, but actually, when I used to take live in the Telegram, me, Satish Bhai, and some community of the industry traders, some people, Varun Raj, Varun, we used to have chit chat, we used to listen songs, and all this happens. So YouTube is restricted all this. We have restrictions in the YouTube live. So okay, as I said, you can clearly see the rejection. Now the people who have short end or took short positions, uh, as the sea rises, their heart rate chart also keeps rising, just as at this time how we felt the same. They will also feel. I don't know. Three members are watching. Like, okay, I feel one of them is Satish Bhai. Guys, hope you like this. And yes, this was the basic plan which I explained you, and you can see here. Only for the decay purpose we have exited. I clearly said yes, there is a more left in, and I said here there is a trap chance. And from these zones you can see, and around 20,920 which we discussed, it's almost near 7 points away in the future chart. But the main thing we need to observe here is how the price action is uh, behaving at that zone, like whether the sellers again come into picture, or do the buyers show the dominance as they are showing. So it's completely a volatile day. That's the reason, even if you see, we have captured good points and we have gave the stop loss the good points. The reason is it's completely a, and yes, you can see a good momentum now. It's almost, that's the reason I somewhere in the starting when I took the trade, I kept the target near to 200, but I exited at 156, and thereafter you can see almost near to 20 points, around near to 20 points. That's a very quick momentum. Please share your views, guys. Satish bhai, yes, I do agree. But see, sometimes what happens when the momentum, when we are middle of the trade, see, I can plan a re-entry here, but again, it's see, the stop loss is near, and the second point is again the taxes. These are the concerns. But yes, I do agree your point. But if you see the remaining days, there is no 11:30 and 1:30 formula. Completely fine. That's a good momentum, and our bias 100% market approved gave us full marks today. uh, Stay alert, guys. At this area, stay alert. Let me see. High chances of breaking 23. There is a high chance. So, how did you like even this level we updated in the free Telegram channel? Almost 72 points. Please comment below, guys. There is a chance of breaking this high as well. And now I want you guys to pay attention for next 2 minutes or 5 minutes. Okay, I take some little more time. I need your attention for 5 minutes. 3 members are watching. I want 3 members. This area, see, almost if we have, I think it's 41 points we booked, and if you see, we missed around 25 points, right? So this 25 points we exited, and what's wrong if we just 25 points risk? Okay, so sometimes we exit at lower rate and sometimes we exit at good profits. Hard luck and good luck both comes into picture, so that is the reason I used to trade. So now the one thing which I want to share you here is, let me switch to little higher time frame for the better understanding. So you can see here. So here the important thing, as it touches, we partially book profit, but nowadays there is a concern that we usually have little only one lot, so I am unable to exit complete at, see, there is no option, right? You have to exit, either hold a full quantity or exit full quantity. That's the one thing we usually have. So usually people, again, if we see a short position, just like here I clearly said, when even the red candle, there is a high chances of breaking this high. So again, this is the area you need to watch out. So if you are in trade, let's say we are in trade, so this particular low, or even you go to lower time frame and this swing low, you can keep trailing to this swing lows. Okay, or as I said, there are a lot of ways you can just trail the stop loss. So in that way you book your 50 quantity here and you wait here. This is the one good way which worked for me personally. That worked so good, and that is one where I used to keep what I say, I used to keep just rallying that. So let me also show you the bank nifty. Okay, yes, I said right, there is chances, good chances of breaking this high. It's complete yen today, complete. So guys, one who are holding, if I would have holded this, I would have booked my profit here. It's completely fine, no issue. It's almost near to 70 points. After my booking, it's almost double. You can see here, not double, it's somewhere near to. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Our followers, the industry trader followers know very well about this. We cannot capture 100%. Chalo, now it's a little bit chit chat time. Thereafter, we close our trades and we will work on some other things. I want you guys to comment first so that I can answer if you have any queries. Thereafter, we will close our session. We will wind up here and I will see you tomorrow. Finally, we holded the trade till this time. Like if you observe, let's calculate the time as well. Here I took the entry and somewhere, where did I exit? Almost we holded the trade for 1 hour 20 minutes. That's the one of the reason for our exit as well. So we got a rejection. So one who are planning to exit the trades, they can, because we may see a little rotation or profit booking from these areas. It seems to be no one have any doubts. So shall we wind up the session? The usual markets I would have planned a small short position, but in this market no. uh, Trend is your friend until its end. Almost 6 members in live, and only Satish Bhai is responding. Okay, anyhow, have a nice day, guys. If you have booked profits, make sure you protect your profits. If you are not yet, I still wish you a happy, safe, and profitable trading. And see you in the Telegram channel. If I need to upload any important alerts or things, you will get in the Telegram channel. So don't forget to join the Telegram channel. Until then, this is Krishna signing off. Jai Hind.